David Attenborough's vision for a healthier planet at 98. At 98 years young, Sir David Attenborough is not just reflecting on his remarkable life, he's sharing a powerful message about the future of our planet. In his upcoming documentary, set to hit theaters on May 8, his 99th birthday, Attenborough dives deep into the pressing issues facing our world today and reveals what he believes is the key to saving it. In this poignant film, titled Ocean, with David Attenborough, the legendary naturalist opens up about his feelings regarding the state of the Earth's ecosystems. He expresses a profound sadness over the environmental challenges we face, but he also offers a glimmer of hope. After nearly a century of observing our planet, he has come to a crucial realization: the most vital place for our survival is not on land, but beneath the waves. Reflecting on his childhood, Attenborough recalls how the sea was once viewed as a wild frontier to be conquered for human gain. Now, as I approach the end of my life, we know the opposite is true, he states, emphasizing the ocean's critical role in our ecosystem. He passionately argues that the health of our planet is inextricably linked to the health of our oceans, which he describes as the most remarkable discovery of all. If we save the sea, we save our world, he concludes, a sentiment that resonates deeply after a lifetime dedicated to showcasing the beauty and fragility of nature. This documentary not only highlights the incredible discoveries made by scientists and explorers over the past century but also sheds light on the alarming state of our oceans and, most importantly, how we can restore them to health. From the vibrant coral reefs of the Americas to the diverse marine life of Africa and Oceania, the film showcases the breathtaking beauty of our oceans while addressing the urgent need for conservation. It explores innovative methods to reverse the damage caused by human activity, focusing on coral reefs, mangroves, coastal communities, fish farms, and marine sanctuaries. Ocean, with David Attenborough, is the latest addition to a legacy of nature documentaries that have captivated audiences for decades. Attenborough's journey began in the 1950s with the BBC's Zoo Quest, and since then, he has brought us iconic series like Planet Earth and The Blue Planet, each one highlighting the struggles of vulnerable species fighting for survival. This new documentary promises to be a compelling call to action, reminding us all that the fate of our planet rests in our hands. After its theatrical release, you can catch it on National Geographic, Disney+, and Hulu later this year. Join Attenborough in this vital conversation about our oceans and the future of our world.